Whoa, we are live. My first ever live stream, I think. Hopefully, the microphone is connected. I don't know how to check anything. So, yeah, I don't know. Are we live? Bear with me. First ever live stream. No clue what I'm doing. Can't share screen. That's disappointing. This might be a bit of a fail. Let me see. Bear with me. Worst ever live stream of all time. Okay. Hopefully you can hear me okay. The mic is plugged in, whether it's being outputted, I'm not entirely sure. But anyway, yes, doing this video on an update on American battery metals or American battery technology. ABAT is the ticker symbol, ABAT. Yesterday we did our video updating on the charts. 50% sell off. It was going down to Chinatown. Wasn't looking good at all. Did say in the video, start buying now, phase it in right down to sort of the low $6. That's what the technical point of view was saying. Did also say that news could come out at any given time and pump this. On what news we have received today. Who have we got? Alan Murphy. Okay, cool. Nice to meet you, Alan. You're the first ever person that I've engaged with on live stream. It's a weird feeling. I'm worried in case I say something inappropriate. But yes, Alan, you probably know the situation if you're interested in American battery technology. I've just put it into the Discord and I'm going to try and bring it up. I've also put it in the description of this live stream. The news has just come out, but I'm going to read it out. We just shared it about 1:45. American battery technology. ABAT Wednesday reported the operational startup of its commercial scale lithium-ion battery recycling facility located in the Reno Industrial Center in Nevada. Unbelievable. The plant is opened. The commercial facility has the capacity to produce over 20,000 metric tons of battery feedstock materials per year when fully ramped. And the first phase of the operations will process these battery feedstock materials into recycled products. So look, we know what they're doing. That is there. You can read that yourself. But what we really want to talk about is the actual pump, and the pump is good. So yesterday I set up my first. I was sharing that Webull is now in, and actually there's another one that's went through. You can see here. I'm getting used to using this, but I don't know if you can even see that. Webull. Anyway, Webull. That's going to be backwards, I assume. But yeah, orders are going through. It's my first access to pre-market. The UK, we get shafted. About 2 months ago, we couldn't buy American battery technology. I had my original position of about £1,200. What's that? $1,500. Really very small position. I'm just checking my phone. It's going nuts. But yes, I had a very, very small position that was left in trading 212, and I was just sitting there, having sold and took profits, and I just sat and watched it fall, and it was heartbreaking. But Webull and trading 212 started allowing you to buy it, mostly because it's been listed back onto the NASDAQ, which was just, wow, this is brilliant. So we did our video, really, really excited, and now I can get pre-market buying. So I've rebought, buying at around $7.60. Because right now, well, the last time I checked, we were massively up. Let's see. Let's try and get a live price. I wish I could share my screen, but it will get better, these live streams. Let's see. We're up 11.5% right now, but at one stage, this was over 13%. And there was no real point me looking at the charts because you can't see it. But anyway, what I'm trying to say is, disregard everything in yesterday's video. This is huge fundamental news. You're still getting it at a great price, even at the likes of 767. Where are we from the highs? The 767. If you're able to buy like I have at these prices, you're still getting it at 44% discount compared to the heights that it was at on the 21st of September. So it's a serious discount. Now the question is this going to be able to pull us up and over our averages. The 200-day average is still going to be our main headache. Now, inflation data has just come out, which I was reading about before this news about American battery technology. The wholesale inflation is a 0.5, so slightly higher. But the indices look good. They look strong. Currently up about 0.3 on the S&P, 0.3 on the Dow Jones as well, and 0.4 almost on the NASDAQ, and the Russell is 0.25. So it looks like a strong day. Now, the Israeli war, yeah, like that is what it is, but it doesn't seem to be really affecting stocks. So, look, I just wanted to drop this, mostly to test out live stream. This news came out. I thought, let's go live. I was recording my stuff for my other YouTube channel, hence the Deal Hunters hat and stuff. But thanks, Alan and Scabber. Missed your videos. Glad you're back. Yeah, we're going to start doing this. I really appreciate that, man. Thank you. How is this company a buy? The balance sheet is terrible shape. The balance sheet is terrible shape. Absolutely. Jesus Christ. Jesus. It's horrible. It's a startup. It's a startup. It's no different than a lot of the stocks we cover on this channel. Primary African minerals and Kodal minerals and different things. The stocks, these are super high future focused green plays that are they're highly risky, and ABML is, or ABTC, or ABAT we are now, it's highly risky as well, but it's got a great future. It's in the right place. And if you look at American battery technology, the grants that it's getting, and if you've watched the other videos, especially maybe watch the video that I did, not that one yesterday, the one before that I did about 2 weeks ago. It was a really high level overview, but I mean, it's in the right sector. It's got lithium play in America. America love to have everything in house, and understandably so. America's huge. Don't forget, it's bigger than the entirety of Europe put together. That's huge. They want this in house, and American battery technology is set in a position to be able to capitalize fully, in my opinion, on battery recycling, which is probably, I mean, we're still recycling batteries now. I mean, phones have been around for what? Jesus, 10, 15 years. There's plenty of lithium batteries that need recycled, but the big plan is going to be, the big driver is going to be these EV plays, and all these things that are going to come down the road. All this is going to need recycled. So I think you're getting in really, really early with American battery technology, that it's going to be very bumpy, loads of ups, plenty of downs. But if you can kind of navigate, trim at the right time, buy low at the right time as best you can. I mean, yesterday's video is a prime example of how news can come out and just shoot it all away. I would always like to be in American battery technology, but the best case, if I can trim high and go low, it's a long process. There's no point having all your money wrapped up in them. It is super risky. So you just dip in and out, dip in and out. That's what I'm trying to do. Whether it'll be right or wrong, we don't know. But so far, it's working well for me. We've got a Russell Bradley. Anyone think that ABAT is a candidate to be purchased by Tesla or another large automobile manufacturer looking to? Why is this thing in the way? I can't see. Looking to grow their EV. Good question. There's a lot of people thinking that it will be potentially bought over by another company. I think we're way, way off that potentially. I don't see anything like that happening. They've done too much work. Ryan Meltzer used to work at Tesla. I think he's got the credentials. At least he's got the presence. I think would you say ego? Maybe not the ego, but he's got. I think he's sure of himself, and I think he's sure of what he's done, and he's done phenomenal work bringing in the right grants. He's obviously impressing the right people as well. That there's no real reason why he wouldn't want this just to grow and be its own huge identity in itself, rather than being under an umbrella of a Tesla. I think Tesla's just done some lithium deals themselves, and Tesla kind of, they're innovators. They just try to do it themselves. I would see more perhaps like a subscription model, or some sort of, you use our services, Tesla will go, or I wouldn't even say Tesla, the likes of a GM would come, a bit like what they've done with Tesla, their auto pilot features, trying to, like a payment subscription that would maybe go, right, you do our recycling, GM, we'll give you all the stuff, and that'll be it. I don't think they'll be bought over. I just don't see that happening. But look, stranger things have happened. We're still going into hard economical times. They need to manage their grants well, deliver on the goods. There's still a lot of unknowns, but if they do everything that they're doing, I don't see why American battery technology just can't stand on its own 2 feet and be its own thing. So that's what I'm hoping for. But the road is long, but I don't see that happening anytime in the future. So yeah, 4 people. Woohoo! Delighted with that. We've got 8 people watching. We've got 3 likes. So wow, pretty fucking cool. Shouldn't have cursed. Shit. Oh, okay. Well, anyway, that's the update. I bought more. Like I said, Webull, pre-market buying. Happy to be buying at these levels. I was happy enough yesterday to be buying at these levels. I think we may have seen lower. Still may see lower. It'll be interesting to see how this pump does. But I think the wider market is looking a lot stronger. And hopefully we bounce off that 200-day moving average, which we've done on the S&P, the NASDAQ. They look strong, the charts. I hope that we're going to push on. But anyway, thanks everyone for tuning in. Yeah, I know I was rambling. I will get better. Like I said, I wasn't doing this live stream about 40 minutes ago. I just thought about doing it with 10 people there. Thanks, 10 people, for checking out. Appreciate you. And I will catch you all in the next video / live stream. Peace. Oh, this will stop immediately and no longer will be live. Do you want to end it? I do. Bye-bye. Thank you.